Obama made his historic trip to Cuba this week. A student at Hamilton College played a small role in making it possible. Eyewitness News reporter Sean Martinelli caught up with a student to share his story. Sean?
Mike, if you listen to any of the president's speeches this week, some of his words may have been influenced by a student right here in central New York. The campus of Hamilton College has always had a slight presidential feel to it. Maybe that's because its namesake, Alexander Hamilton, of course, was called to the White House countless times during his lifetime. Now, hundreds of years later, they're still calling.
It was kind of unbelievable, actually.
This time for a very different person.
Yeah, as I said before, it was just definitely an honor to be consulted by the president, you know, or to be consulted by his team at least.
Arthur Williams' story really began this past summer when he spent 6 weeks researching the impact of microfinance on Cuban entrepreneurship.
Just to kind of be able to interact so closely and intimately with different entrepreneurs and different Cuban people who are aspiring to be entrepreneurs, it was definitely an amazing experience.
Then a few weeks ago, as the president's speechwriting team began preparing for his historic trip to Cuba, they decided to give Arthur a call.
So the representative from the White House actually did mention to me that there's not that much scholarship on entrepreneurship in Cuba and what's going on there. So when they saw the article and my research, that's why they were very interested in speaking with me.
This is a new day. Es un nuevo día between our two countries.
Yeah, it's very encouraging, and it has encouraged me to keep on doing this kind of research in Cuba. And as I said, I'm an international student from Jamaica, and we also look forward to this kind of normalization and to progress forward with working with Cuba and collaborating with Cuba.
And as for Arthur's next steps after college?
I'm interested in international development and affairs, so that's something I might pursue in the future.
A future that's destined to be bright for a student who can say his words were a part of history. Certainly some impressive work there by Arthur. If you're interested in learning more about his research, you can head over to our website. That's cnyhomepage.com. Reporting, Sean Martinelli, Eyewitness News.
And coming up